Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're at Phoenix Park Village 2, but I have one question to ask. For my fellow subscribers who have already moved into this development, somebody really could have nudged me and say, "Oh, Chris, you work and move fast, you know." Guys, I'm actually on the outside. This is the perimeter wall. This is past the main entrance of Phoenix Park Village 2. And as you can see behind me, there are new structures going up. You see? There is no asphalt on this side of the road. Somebody really could tell me say so much work been taking place over this side of the world. Guys, I'm going to go into this drone shot right now. Our last video we posted was in July. And guys, I am impressed by the amount of units that have been handed over. I am impressed with the amount of units that have gone up since then. But I'm going to give you guys this shot and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let me look for the old drone shot. Can you guys recall this area being populated with houses? I guess not. I am surprised as well, but when I give you this brand new drone shot, you will see exactly what I am making reference to. So guys, before we even jump into the drone shot, we're almost there. We're almost there. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so, because we are going up the ranking, all right? So, like this video, share it with your family and your friends, tell the entire Jamaica, tell the world, tell all those in diaspora looking to purchase a property in Jamaica to subscribe to ChriSamz Properties YouTube channel. So I'm going to jump into this drone shot right now. I'm at my chit chat after, all right? And I still want to ask the question. My fellow subscribers who have moved in, somebody could have dropped in our comments and say, all of this been taking place over the little time we don't come here. But guys, as you can see for yourselves, a lot of work has taken place and the development is moving on. The last time I checked, I was told that the list was closed, but I'll definitely check on that for you guys and give you another update when we get back, so that you can know whether or not you can still buy into this development. But if I take too long, you know what I always do? I leave the information for the developer in the description of this video so you can reach out to them, because I don't want you to miss out on anything because Chris take long to come back on video. So reach out to Gore Development, get the fine details that you require that is not in this video by just giving them a call or connect with them on their social media pages. Guys, the sun hot. I'm gonna go home. I'm tired, but me just glad so when I get this video, I'm going to work on it right now as I get home. So thank you guys for making it ChriSamz for your one stop for your property tours and your updates. And I will definitely catch you guys in another video at another property. I'll be back at Phoenix Park, but it's peace out until then. From Chris, from ChriSamz, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.